Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and replace this thing back here. So hopefully I got it from Amazon. So guys, what you want to do first, you want to go ahead and get your key, open this up right here, and once you take this off, you can lift up on the seat, you can remove the seat. So basically we need to remove both seats. So what we got to do to remove this one, you got to pull this up like this and pull up on this, pull them out the studs. So these two studs right here go right there. So we're gonna have some Phillips screws to remove. We have one right here, one right here. Then we have two 4 Allen key or X-bolt, and I'm gonna remove the 2 Phillips screw first. So once that's come off, take off the other one, and then we're gonna move towards the X key, and it will be 4mm to remove this right here. And remove this one also. Changing this
what
to a little one so it looks more neat. Try not to lose these. Sometimes they stay in the frame and sometimes they come out, so don't lose them. I would say take them out. This one stay and just pull it out just like that. So now we're gonna try to lift up on here. So slide back, do not lift up, you slide back. Once you slide back, it will come unhook, then you can lift it up just like that. Put it somewhere safe. So there you go. And actually guys, I didn't know this bike come with tools. So we got tools right here. I didn't even know we got tools right here. So this is the tool it come with. It come with 2 Allen key. I guess one is 4 and one is 5, and it comes with a 14 and 17 opening wrench, and you have a 2-way screwdriver with flathead and Phillips. So let's get back to the process. So the next we're gonna do is unplug these wires right here, but I need to see what goes. Also, okay, so this goes to the tail lamp. I'm gonna leave that, and these goes to the tag lamp, and it goes to the tag lamp. They color coded, so it doesn't matter if you mix them up. So once you put them back, you just want to make sure you put them back the way they're supposed to go. This one I leave it, it's for the tail lamp. Go ahead and I don't know what that's for. Go ahead and remove this. So once you remove all 4 bolts, there is a Phillips screw that go right here. We gotta remove this one right here. You just want to run it through the bottom, get it through there. Then you want to take everything off this and put on the Fender eliminator. So once you remove the tag, you want to open this. So you want to get this Philip. And we have this right here for the reflector. Should be 8mm. So it's 8mm, guys, to remove this reflector back here. That's off. Now we can open this. Oh, we have one more right here. Philip. So that's off right there. That's so, guys, I'm just gonna do one side. I already did the other side just to make sure I don't do crazy stuff on the camera, just to get familiar with it, so I can at least show you guys what to do. So once you remove that Phillips screw, go ahead, take off that part right there, take up this other bracket right here. Once you take up this bracket, you can go ahead and bring this through, just like that. You can bring that through also. So now that's gone, you can go ahead, run the wire through here. You can run this metal piece through, and then run the rubber through, because it's rubber. So just kind of squeeze them down. I would fit the smaller part of the rubber first, and then I'll fit the bigger part of the rubber. So once that's done, so once you get this in, make sure it sits flush against there. Then you can put this part back in. Once you squeeze this part in, so squeeze it in, make sure it sits flush down in there. Then you want to get this part, hook it right here and bring it down. Get your Phillips screw and tighten this up right here. So this is what it should look like, guys. So once that's done, I got this from Amazon, by the way, link will be in the description. You got to put this rubber piece in when you get it. This didn't come with it, so we got to run the wires through here also.
Everything that should be there should be paid.
So just like that. These will go up in the bike. So I guess it's best to run the wires without this in, and then you put this on. Then make sure you put this right here so it doesn't chafe the wires. The next step is to get the tag lamp. So once that's done, you want to bring this through like this. This is what the back will look like. Get your two Phillips screw, retighten them. Just tighten them snug. You don't have to break it. Don't break it. Snug them up. Run this through. So now that's through. The rubber fall off. So I'm gonna get the rubber, put it over this part first. This side is big, so put this one through first. Then you can put this smaller one through. And you can put the rubber in here now. So you see where the opening, make sure you got rubber on both sides. So that's what underneath the bike look like. So basically this cut in here goes between there, the wire goes over there, and we're gonna run it through inside the bike. That's what and also guys, you want to use tread lock, so get some tread lock to put on the, you can put it on the bolts or on the nut, or in the nut I should say. So just put that there so you can run it through. So I got the 4 screws that go there, but one is missing. Well, not even one, 2 is missing the actual the washer that goes on it. So guys, this is the finishing product. I install everything nice and tight. So how I end up doing it, I put 2 Allen key. They put 2 of the head up here and put 2 of the bottom up here, because this won't fit up in here. So I gotta put that. So now I see why they only have 2 washers, because I realize that's how it's supposed to go. Maybe this is also wrong, but I'm not gonna take it out. I'm gonna leave it just like that, because I want to be able to carry stuff in here like this. I don't want the screws sticking up, rubbing through this and break. So I was just checking to see if I give anything out, but whatever. So I don't want nothing to come up and rub through that, so that's why I put that right there. Time to put back the other cover. Make sure you connect back your wires. At this point you can also test to make sure everything work like they're supposed to. Turn signal on, turn signal off. Make sure you have your LED, and there you go. So let's put it back together. So guys, this is the finishing product right here. That's what it looked like. The only thing left is for me to put my tag on. I will be doing that soon. That's what it looked like, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.